Stop taking those selfies. You're on in 5.
You. Right, I need to get dressed.
Is that not your show outfit?
As if. Change!
That's great.
No, bored with this one. Oh, that's why they call it concealer.
Ready? We've got rooms full of publicity round to give your book a good publicising. There's a woman in room 19 who is such a laugh.
McLaren, do you think we should slow down a bit?
What? Who said that?
Me? Nova Jones?
You, Nova Jones, want to slow things down? Nova, put my breakfast in a blender. I haven't got time to eat it all separately. Jones.
No, that doesn't sound like me, does it?
No.
I think I was joking. Ha!
Not as funny as the woman in room 19.
Why are we talking about other people? Let's go talk about me. Okay, Dressamatic, listen up. Because I need something very special. It has to be deep space couture. It's got to be outrageous, but understated. Playful, but also really serious. Shocking, but totes relatable. Oh, it's got to be completely unlike anything anyone's ever worn before or ever will wear. Got it?
I think your demands may have been a bit too demanding.
Do something. It's still fashionably late, but you might want to start thinking about getting a move on a clock.
We could call in a designer to work with you. How about gooey crouton?
Ugh, no, yuck. He smells like soup.
Grouchy and banana.
Takes way too long to tell reporters who I'm wearing. I know. Let's get Clothes Horse. She's the goat.
Clothes Horse is a goat.
GOAT. Greatest of all time.
Oh, an acronym, but for fun. I'll give Clothes Horse a call. I know she grazes near here, actually.
Oh, good.
McLaren, taking it back. Maybe those PJs are restricting your dancing muscles?
You got it. I'll just summon up the most awe-inspiring dance outfit. What do you think?
I think we're going to have to cancel the tour. We've no choice. You've lost it. You can't sing, you can't dance.
What about my fashion sense?
Well, you're still wearing ludicrous clothes, but you've lost the ability to pull it off.
But I'm the talent. The talent. Without talent, I'm just the nothing. The nothing. Like you.
I've got talent. I'm using my talent to help find your talent.
That's not talent. That's... What do you know talents call it? Work. Without talent, I'll have to work.
Wait, if you've lost your talent, then it's bound to be about someplace. We just need to find it.
That sounds like work.
Not with the help of the greatest talent spotter in the universe.
You're really keen to use that pointer, aren't you?
It's got 12 colours.
Dressamatic, change my outfit. No, times a million. Retro. I need retro fashion. Old and classic. I wore this 3 minutes ago.
What about this one?
No, keep looking. God, the Dressamatic is being so slow. I want an outfit that screams yesterday. Now!
Well, that is what you wore yesterday.
It's being so slow.
Not to worry, the battery just needs changing.
Hurry up. Honest to God, nobody understands why costume is so important. Nobody.
I think we're all...
Nobody. Retro outfit. No. Not this. Anything but this.
Oh, gosh. Nova, that's one of your costumes from when you were...
Don't say another word.
I haven't seen you in that outfit since.
Silence.
Oh, what's going on? Is it a game?
Those two are too short. That one's okay.
Which one?
That one. Dollargrams. I just made that up. I can't promise dancing for me will be easy. I can't promise it will be fun. But I can promise that it'll be easy and fun for me. Are you with me? I said, are you with me?
They can't move. They're not activated yet. They're on standby.
Standby.
Yes, they're standing by the room with the hologram machine in it, waiting to be activated and set up. Right, Sid?
You're dead on, McLaren!
Nova, please don't do this just to avoid tidying your room. Being a president is a really real and important thing. It actually means caring about other people, not just yourself.
Did you really not notice I was missing for 2 days?
In fairness, I spent most of those 2 days telling Digit my Jefferson Parkin stories. Fascinating, weren't you, Dig?
Now, for the vital question. What does a president wear?
What about policies, Nova? What platform will you run on?
I was thinking 7-inch with a silver heel.
Not platform shoes. I mean, the platform where you stand for something.
Right. I stand for shoes.
Nova, please. Being president is actually about caring for people. You're a great pop star, but you're also the kind of person who loses Sid in her own mess.
Sid. I need Sid. Sid, I want you to be my spin doctor.
Really?
Oh, because I've always wanted to spin records.
I've been practicing, and it's not that kind of spin.
Isn't it?
Anyway, what I was trying to tell you earlier, we have a serious kid songwriter problem.
Yes. Laters. Done. Hey, Closos.
Sorry, Nelly. Can't you see I'm grazing?
I just wanted to let you know that I went ahead and designed our outfit. I just love how dull the brown is, don't you? It's hilarious. Don't worry. I'll tell everyone we collabed on it. My main girl. You'll get all the credit.
I am not putting my name to this abomination. Stand aside.
This smells amazing.
It's my own invention. Electro-QT hair shocker, suck the kiss from a bazillion eels.
Planet Saji and Baji are ready for your press conference. Now, Nova, if we don't persuade them to let us into the galaxy beyond, we're going to have to go the long way round.
Is that bad?
The last group to travel that route were a boy band called Lad Zone.
Who?
Exactly! By the time they got back, they'd become irrelevant.
Taking this route could mean no more Nova famousness.
It'll never come to that.
My famousness? This is terrible managing. McLaren, sometimes I just want to squirble you. Is my hair finished?
Yep, here you go.
I love it! Wow! Nova, you look incredible!
A scrunched up paper dream dress.
Fabulous, Nova! Just fabulous! Who are you wearing?
It's a Cloho, no joke. A Closos Nova Jones collab. Together at last.
Oh, goodness, Nova, your dress is amazing.
Congratulations, Nova!
I won! Thank you! I want to thank all the Novalites out there. And there's someone else I really want to thank. Calling Kid Songwriter. This is Kid Songwriter. He's written so many songs with me. P.S. I'm sorry I took you for granted. I'd only be half a pop star without you. All right, stop waving. This is still my night.